Here we have a Mueller perfect binder.
So what you got here is a station where you drop your book block in. And then it's going to go across here and mill. So there's a milling head that'll cut the spine so the glue can penetrate. Then if you go back here, got your glue pot, and the temperature control works. You can see the glue running. It has an exhaust port so you can vent to the outside of your building to get rid of the fumes from the glue. It has a collection bag that collects the milling material into this bag so you can empty that. So the book will come around, get clamped, get milled, come across the glue. You'll come to this station, it'll nip on a cover. Now we don't have any cover stock, it's just paper, we just so you can see it go through the machine. But it'll nip it on, and then it drops the book out the bottom. So you'd have to put some kind of catch here. Let me run a book through and show you what happens. There's a pedal down here you stand on. That wasn't thick enough. So it nips on the cover. You can adjust the cover with this side guide here, and it glues your book. And if I'm going to split it, you normally wouldn't do this to a book, but you can see how the nipper dug into the book so the glue could penetrate.